So first things first, we're going to start off by combining our vectors. So we're going to get like 3t plus 1. If this doesn't make sense, we're going 3 times t plus 1, and then we're equaling them together, negative 5u plus 4, and then we're going to continue down with negative 6t minus 3, and then we're going to do 8u minus 9. And then we got one more. All right. And then from there, we're going to simplify this as part 2. So this is our x, this is our y, this is our z for now. And that kind of makes sense. That's what we combine together. So simplify this. 3t plus 5u is equal to 3. Negative 6t. I don't really like this in a way. Minus 8u is equal to 3. Oh. And 6t plus 2. Oops, I'm going off the tracks. 6t plus 6u is equal to 6. All right, so we have our boom, boom, boom. Part 3. Now we're going to try to find t, I believe. No, we're going to try and find u. So we're going to add these two together. So we're going to get like, actually, that's wrong. We're going to add these two together. So we're going to look at, I'm going to do it on this side. Negative 6t plus 6t minus 8u plus 2u is equal to negative 6 plus 6. So this is going to equal 0. The t's cancel out, and we're going to be left with negative 2u, but anything that comes across 0 is going to be 0. So u is ultimately going to be 0. And with that, this is our step 4. No, this is our step 3. Step 4, we're going to have, we're going to plug in u into our first equation here, so we can find t. So 3t plus 5u is equal to 3. And we plug in u, which is 0. Boom, gone. T is now equal to 1 since we divide 3 over here, so that cancels out. And 3 divided by 3 is just 1. So we're left with t equals 1. Now that we know u equals 0, t equals 1, well, I believe we only have 1 step left, or 2 steps left. We're gonna go here, I'm gonna put step 5. It's getting a little messy. I just forgot to use my notes. So vt is equal to our first vector right here, 3, negative 6, 6 times 1, because we have t right there. And then we do plus 1, negative 3, 2. And then we're going to plug in v1, Actually, did I skip something? Actually, this is supposed to be just t for now, but then we go put that down as 3, negative 6, 6 times 1 plus 1, negative 3, 2. And then after that, clear up some space because that's some dummy stuff. Actually, let's keep going. We'll do 6 here. Step 6 is just adding them together, and we're gonna get the point. So let's see. We got 3. Oh, adding them, yes. 3 plus 1, 4. Negative 6 plus negative 3, negative 9. And 6 plus 2, 8. I think that's right. 4, negative 9, 8. All right, recap. We're trying to find a point of intersection for lines, yada, yada, yada. Step 1, we're going to add our T's and our U's together. And then step 2, we're going to simplify it. Step 3, over here, we're going to find U. Step 4, we plug in U to the first equation. And I should note that for finding U, we're using these two equations. And when we're finding T, we plug in U into the fourth step so that we get our T. And then when we have T and U, we go to the fifth step and we're going to plug in T. And so we're going to get our point 4, negative 9, 8, because we're just adding the vectors, and since we know t is equal to 1, we're pretty much just adding what it originally was. So 3 plus 1, negative 6 minus 3, and 6 plus 2. So the final answer is right there. 4, negative 9,